Hey guys, I'm continuing to record my video about testing the Meteora system. This video isn't actually made to brag about how I make millions of dollars, but rather it is intended to show you exactly how a professional trading system is carefully created and thoroughly tested. Let me remind you that the system finds the market balance, watches for when the market enters a decline phase, and gives a signal. I trade based on these signals. The red lines are sell signals. The blue lines represent clear signals to buy. As you can see, in general, the system effectively manages its visual task. Since we last spoke, I uploaded and published my latest video just yesterday. Since then, the system has brought in several additional trades that have turned out to be quite profitable, but now, if you take a close look at the open trading positions, you will see there are quite a few of them and they are currently experiencing a bit of a drawdown. But overall, looking closely at these market signals, you can clearly see that whenever a new buy trade appears or a specific buy signal is triggered, right after it first appears, the price quotes can still potentially move down into the negative area for a while, and then eventually start to rise back up in the right direction as expected. This happens literally, well, with almost all the signals. So, for example, here we had a buy signal, but before going up, the price fluctuated a bit and then went up. There are additional signals based on which I will also enter the market. This is exactly how I plan to generate an income stream using this specific system. If you take a close look at the historical data, you will see I have the smallest possible minimum trade lot size because my primary goal right now is not to make a profit. I'll discuss the details of making money later and will begin generating actual profits down the road. But for now, it's strictly to test the system's overall performance on a real trading account. Please note, I am trading with the broker DarwinX, which does not have the best trading conditions. This broker is not specifically designed for scalping, but nevertheless, I think that even with this broker, the system will work well. I have explained the reasons why there is a trading drawdown. And now let's go through the trades that have already been opened. For example, right here there was a sell trade, and as you can clearly see, the quotes are fluctuating around the initial opening level and are not moving down as expected. Although the histogram of the indicator, which looks for market balance, has already started to show a decline toward the zero area. And we will lock in the profit when the histogram drops to these levels for closing. Now let's examine a different trade. For example, the Australian dollar against the yen. I had a short sell position right here, and it successfully made a profit. Now let's take a look at where else there are currently open trades. Here you can already look at the history, right? As you can see, there were trading operations, and they brought me a good profit. For example, here there was a sell trade, but the quotes went in the opposite direction. It's possible, and most likely, they will reverse, because we can see that some kind of top is forming here and the price will go down. But right now, the current trading position is in a period of drawdown, and my current set of open orders consists of several trades just like this one. But the most important thing is that a system is usually thoroughly analyzed after, say, a full month of trading with it, not just a short period of 3 days. Right now, it's my third day of trading. Let's take a look, for example, at the Canadian dollar against the yen. In the same way, I have an open sell trade here. The quotes are still moving sideways and the histogram shows a slight decline. But so far we're not experiencing a downward trend. And you can look at various other assets where trades are open in a similar way. Here, for example, yes, the price went up just as it should have. Let's look at some more open trades. Right here, I entered a sell position. Although the market quotes initially went up a little bit against us, we are now seeing a reversal going back down. Overall, there is currently a small drawdown affecting all of my open trades. In general, why am I so confident that this system will be profitable in the long run? Well, because now I'll shift these open trades further down the screen so that you can clearly see all of the performance and signal statistics. If you look at these signals over, say, the last 5,000 bars, let's take a moment to scroll all the way through the complete history of these signals. As you can see, there are a very significant number of them here. Right here, this indicator generated 40 individual trades on just a single asset, of which 34 positions were highly profitable, and it earned a total of 6,000 points. The profit factor is over 3, meaning the profits are 3 times greater than the losses. And you can see that after a buy signal, the price really does go up, and after a sell signal, it goes down. A buy signal goes up, a sell signal goes down. When you buy, there are 2 signals. The price goes up. When you sell, it goes down. So everything works quite logically and correctly in this scenario. But as I mentioned to you before, after some of these signals occur, there are certain periods when the quotes actually move directly against the signal. There was a sell signal here. The quotes went up for a while, and then they started to decline. There was a buy signal here. The quotes went down, and then they started to rise. So, of course, this isn't exactly what you'd call a super precise system, because here we are looking closely at the general market balance, rather than just focusing on a sudden impulsive move either down or up. This is, let's say, an interim update video for you. When every single one of these trades that are currently open right here are finally closed, I'll record a follow-up video to show exactly how many of these open trades, according to the indicator's detailed trading history, closed in a profit and how many closed in a loss, and what the final cumulative result of the entire session was. You can keep in mind that right now there is a total of almost €8 in profit. I am really hoping that by the time we get to the next video, this amount will grow quite substantially and noticeably. Simply because there are a lot of currently active and open trades, and every single day I get about 5 or even more trading signals for me to follow. That's how things are, guys. See you in the next video, where I will be sharing the final results